Hi, this is Brandon with Titan Chair Company, and today we're going to talk about the all new 3D L-Track Titan Jupiter Massage Chair. So we're going to start out by pushing the power button right there. It's going to turn on. It's going to display in your very nice, beautiful LCD screen. Here's our pause button, so I'll go ahead and turn the chair on for a moment just to show you. Let's just pick a program. And as it's going, and if you would like to stop it, you just push this right there and everything stops in the chair. We'll go ahead and start it again. As you can see, we have our timing button, which is located right here at the top. It's going to be 5-minute increments. So it's going to be 20, 25, 30, and then back down to 5. Now the newest function that we have on this phone is it does have Bluetooth technology. So you're going to go and push the Bluetooth and you're going to sync it up to your phone, and if someone does give you an incoming call, you're going to hear a ringing through the speakers, and you're going to press this button right here, and it's going to enable you to speak through the microphone that's built into the chair. So I'll push the chair again. Alright, this button right here is actually going to be reclining the chair and moves it back. If you'd like to bring the chair back up, this actually brings it up. On the ottoman, this will bring the ottoman up for better positioning of the feet and legs, and this button brings it down. Real quick, we're going to go to our lower buttons right here. This is where everything happens. The heating on here, we have 7 different areas where you can heat your chair up at. So I'll go ahead and push the heating. As you're going to see, if you push it once, it's going to hit the lower back area. Push it twice, it's going to be down on the lower area on the glutes. And the third time, it's going to heat up your calf area. Then we have our dual programs. So I hit it on the 4th time, it's going to heat up your lower back portion and your glutes. Your 5th time, it's going to be the calf and the glute area it's going to be heating. And then we have the combination lower back and calf. And hit it on that 7th time, it's going to hit all 3 areas. You're going to see these red little lines right here showing the heat. So we have our speed and width button. So when you go to your manual massage, and let's say I pick the program of knocking, if you would like to speed up the program of the rollers, you just hit speed, hold it down, and you can see it's toggling right there. And you're going to go to the right. Let's try that again. As you can see, it increases it, and then to the toggle to the left, speed down. Now the width of the rollers, you can also increase or decrease. See the width, and then you go to the right. Increases it. The rollers right here is you could turn off and on the roller system when it's in manual. You're going to see a purple light right here, so you hit it once, it's going to go for low speed with the feet. And then if you hit it twice, it's going to be faster on the feet. And then you hit it one more time and it turns it off. Alright, starting with the auto button right here, you're going to see the auto programs. Push auto, and then you toggle to the right, and you just push the button down to pick which program you would like. Here's your manual massage right here. Push manual. Now the good thing about this chair is it's a newer 3D L-Track. So if you just want to hit the 3D, you push OK, and then you can see that it started the 3D positioning. Now to figure out where you want it at, you hit manual again. It's going to position down, and you can see you can pick the neck and shoulder, shoulder and back, shoulder and waist. Now let's go to the other different programs on the manual. So I'll hit manual again. And here's your knead, knock, tap, shiatsu, the combination knead and knock, knead and tap. And there you go. And once again, if you want to hit those in certain positions, you also just put those on there. Air massage. Now here's the manual air massage. Toggle to the right. You're going to pick which one you want. Shoulder, arm, waist, seat, calf and foot, the head, and the shoulder and foot, arm and seat, waist and foot, and then it's going to massage just the upper body, just the lower body, or if you want the full body, you're going to go down and push that. The last thing is going to be the 2-stage zero gravity. So you're going to hit it once, it's going to go to the first stage of zero gravity. And then after that, it's going to turn it off. So you actually have one stage of zero gravity on it.